Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the importance of machine learning. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in artificial intelligence and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So basically, a friend, machine learning is the core sub area of artificial intelligence. It makes computer get into a self-learning mode without explicit programming. When fed new data, these computers learn, grow, change, and develop by themselves. The concept of machine learning has been around for a while now. However, the ability to automatically and quickly apply mathematical calculations to big data is now gaining a bit of momentum. Machine learning has been used in several places like the self-driving Google cars, the online recommendation engines, friend recommendations on Facebook, offer suggestions from Amazon, and in cyber fraud detection. The machine learning field is continuously evolving, and along with evolution comes a rise in demand and importance. There is one crucial reason why data scientists need machine learning, and that is high value predictions that can guide better decisions and smart actions in real time without human interventions. Machine learning as technology help analyze large chunk of data, easing the task of data scientists in an automated process, and is gaining a lot of prominence and recognition. Machine learning has changed the way data extraction and interpretation works by involving automatic sets of generic methods that have replaced traditional statistical techniques. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.